Alright, my beautiful people, on a day, on a bill, and welcome back again to another Boge Crazy update for Babake TV. Una know as the be before we start the story, we carry us coming, my people. I beg make una like this video, share, comment, at the same time, I beg make una follow me on my Facebook page as Babake TV. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell notification so that anytime when I drop new video, my people, una go to see at one time. Alright, without wasting no time, my people, make we enter the story, we carry us come. First of all, make una check out this. Our Nigeria DJ, one of our Nigeria famous DJ, whether they called Commissioner DJ YC. This guy don't come inside, come talk into story concerning how God to save her life when she take fall for two-story building, and because of that, this guy come outside, come give little small story and testimony how God to save her life. According to the girl, she say when destiny can't be denied. 22 September, few years ago, I fell from two-story building cause the balcony collapsed. I was confirmed dead for hours, but God kept me. A date I can never forget. For every wood there is a scar, and every scar tells a story that say I survived. Today I am Commissioner DJ YC. Congratulations. See, he say today I'm Commissioner DJ YC, grateful heart. So we thank God for her life and for keeping her safe. I believe say this girl now the kind of bedua jams where they give people, they give a lot of people joy. Thank God for her life, and because of say God know the purpose where it take bring her come this life. Now I say that for where you fall for two-story building, it go take your life. And may we enter another story where carry us coming, my people. And no say time. Make una check out this our cross-dresser where they call James Brown. This guy don't come outside now. Just they twerk anyhow. They say he be the violent princess where still get bola for between his leg. He say he still dey proud of himself. Now person come outside say, if you know say you really dey proud of yourself, make you send this video, go give your papa. And this guy reply this person and say, even if papa dey proud of him. I dey imagine the kind of papa wey go dey proud of this kind of people. Well, anyway, na your opinion be that, and make una drop una comment and opinion below. Make una tell me wetin una really reason concerning that our brother or our sister wey they call James Brown. Maybe enter another story wey carry us come, my people. That shall never end, my people. And so they talk am. I don't see this thing for the past few days now for online as they trend concerning this Yahoo boy wey be say they try to use him mama to do ritual. He won't come out in mama eye just to do ritual make it get money. According to imagine mama will be say a lot of people they pray make the low evil loss. Mama way some people they manage, way some people they protect like egg. Now he call reach this guy hand now. He reach this guy hand, and this guy now they try to want use this mama to do ritual. Just because of say he won't get fame, he won't get money, just because of say he won't make the recognize, and just because of say you want impress people where be say the Lord they even send you, where be say the Lord even know whether you even there alive. Your mama will don't carry you for 9 months, bring you come this life, raise you to this extent where be say you did support you for your life. Now it reach the time to support that your mom. The only option where you get now to come out her eye, kill her, just to take do ritual. And they imagine the kind of mind where we say some people get for this life, where we say they don't they get pity for anything, even to the extent to your mama self, you don't get pity for her. Just imagine this kind of pikin. I wish your mama don't say this kind of thing, this boy he go do and this kind of thing. If for better just point out for abortion. Now you won't try to impress people, and because of this, you maybe girls go come the road follow you, and those girls some go still even dump you, follow the person wey even still get past you. But before then, your mom e don go. How person go get money and your mama don't feel enjoy for the money where you get? What is the essence? What it become be the purpose? Where be say some people get money today that they cry say their parents know they are alive to enjoy the wealth where they get. Some of their fake uncle are people that they show their fake love where be say their papa take their life, and they come be the people that they enjoy today. I beg my people, make una get sense. I believe say this thing and lazy people where be say they don't want work. Now them wey be say they don't know what to do with their life. Now they get this make this kind of decision. Say they won't go join ritualists. They won't go do something. They will say na Yahoo boy. It all blow. But because of this one, they catch this one now. Those ones where they low cash. Just tell me once una don see say those one don blow now, una go think say yes na normal Yahoo boy na e be. Many of those boys they do a lot of things just to blow, just to get this money. No be today Yahoo start. The way it can't be now, no be the way it first start before. Not just they impress, not just they heavy your fellow human being or in the name of say he don't get money because you don't know where the person for really get that money, how he take get the money. But you just want they force yourself, hey, Shemo, show me way now. He go they delay you. He don't want to tell you. You go the force and show me way now, but when he can't tell you the secret, you go want do one. Sometimes you go want back up. That's why you know they need to the first person may show you way. Watch the person well. May you know whether the way in for even they get it, whether they clear or not. No pray to be like person. Pray, may God make you be you. May God show you your way, your clean way. May you take succeed for life. There are many other ways to make money. Where be say you don't need to kill any blood or commit any illegal atrocity. Should they say, I beg, make una take her easy concerning this Yahoo stuff. All those Yahoo Plus and imagine person won't come go kill your lovely mom just to do it. And this guy, he say he will promise him mama say he must make him. Saying tomorrow go better pass today. You promise your mama. Say the mama where you promise. Now the mama now you want to make your own tomorrow better pass. Just to impress other people where be say they don't know how your mama take suffer follow you. I say tell my people, make una check out this man for this same money issue where they arrest for Abuja airport. This man, he carry this 38 years old man, carry full cocaine will be, there is 350 wrap of cocaine. Want to fly out of the country. And this man, they arrest this man. And this cocaine where they for arrest this man, the funny part is that the cocaine is worth 2.3 billion. And this man, they promise this man, say they go give this man the sum of 500,000 naira just to make sure say he succeed carry this thing cross. I say this thing, I shock. I say for 500,000 naira, now you won't risk your life. Carry something of 2.3 billion. Even me say if I want to do this kind of thing, I go make sure say the money where I will get for that thing wey worth 2.3 billion, my own share for that thing, if I feel succeed that kind thing, if I won't take that kind of risk, it go reach up to 500 million. Now this man for just go put himself for trouble. Make I read this short story for them, make una see. They say 33 years old man Okeze has been arrested by operative of the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency at the Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport, Abuja, with 350 wraps of cocaine worth over 2.3 billion in street value. The suspect, a Mali-based China, was arrested on Wednesday, September 22, 2001, during an inward clearance of passenger on Ethiopia Airline flight Loba 911 Airot Bamako Addis Ababa Abuja. Just imagine the kind of risk because of 500,000 naira, the kind of J10s wey be say this man won't go serve. How many years wey be say won't go serve for jail just because of 500,000 naira? And trust me, the people who really get this thing, they fit pass the back of this man, go claim this their product, go bribe all those people. This thing in Nigeria for Apple, we know as they be. they go arrange and still collect their goods, just still settle those people, and they go free. And meanwhile this man, he go dey jail, dey suffer for something wey be say he just wan risk make e get small thing talk him. Abeg my people, make una drop una comment and una opinion below. Make una like the video, share, comment, and follow me on my Facebook page at Babake TV. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell notification so that anytime when I drop new video, una go see am one time. Alright, make we enter another story wey carry us coming, my people. Alright, my people, our Nigeria singer wey they call Tems, this girl, God don leave this girl high from upcoming artists wey be say this girl don go international. And wetin make me really dey happy be say this our brother wey they call Wizkid. So this our big Nigeria artist wey they call Wizkid. Any person wey really touch he or her life, the person they really they go for. And when this girl just newly come out, they not to know her, but since when this girl sing this music with Wizkid wey they call SS, this girl, the team, boom, the music really both the girl wey be say this girl really don't go far. Even Drake, they try to one collabo with the girl, and this girl now he don't go meet up with Rihanna, one of the richest American singer right now, the richest female American singer. This girl don't meet up with her, and the girl they thought say that they try to do some collaboration very soon. And a very big congratulations to her wey be say this music thing don't really lift her high. And person know they know the thing wey be say e go really blow you for life. That's how you go need to always keep trying, never give up, because now one thing wey be say you go do, now God go bless. And you know what? That if it take you to a place where be say you never expect. And same time, my people, make una check out this man where be say, according to the passenger where this man carry, this man put some stone for inside his car. Now the passenger they try to ask her, Oga, why you they put these stones for inside your car? Now the man reply, he say, when I saw those stones, according to the man, he say, when I saw those stones, I couldn't help but to ask the driver why he had so many stones in his car. He talked about the insecurity of the country and then showed me his catapult. Man said he is not going down without a fight if anything sub for street. I see this here, he follow me. You put stone for inside your car and you say you want to take protect yourself with catapult. How you want to protect yourself with catapult when you miss up mafias where they carry AK-47 for road? You want use catapult fight them? Well, now via your sense reach be that maybe they try to use and protect all those birds. Maybe if birds attack in motor or fowl won't attack in motor. And before I end this video, my people, make una check out this diesel tanker where be say it just collapsed, and as the thing fall down, a lot of Nigeria people they come outside with their gallon, with their drum, just to go the first diesel. This thing they always they happen where be say many people don't want to get sense, and once this thing catch fire now, who know a lot of life where be say they go lose their life and many people go injure. At the same time, they'll come they blame government, say na dem na cause this thing, say na poverty, na dem na cause this thing. Meanwhile, na their own hand na they take it themselves, na their own maternity na they take send themselves go any grave. Alright, my people, make una drop una comment and opinion below. At the end of the video be that abeg make una follow me on my Facebook page as Babake TV. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell notification so that anytime when I drop new video, una go to see am one time. Thank you very much for watching the video from the beginning to the end. Until I see you again for my next video, my people. Bless.